guys, it's Darpchin Gaming. Today I'm going to be unboxing all these crates, around about 50, and Fat Stormtrooper's going to be commenting of what I'm going to get and shit. Well, even though he cannot see what I'm getting, I'll tell him what I got
have
and shit.
clairvoyance.
Open wide, my friend.
Open wide, come inside.
Alright. So first I got a beautiful spy tie. I'm gonna
Oh, that's good.
I already got a ladies killer for my bunny spy. So I'm gonna swap it off for I'm gonna swap off to the to my killer's exclusive spy, the tie shirt that looks this badass.
Oh yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
good for your loadout, really.
Yeah, it does. Suits me well. Yeah, let's go down here, open it, yup. I got a camouflage head, or, well, the head hedge.
What did you get?
Head hedge, which is basically I think a soldier's leaf hat, which absolutely sucks shit. Let me inspect
Oh
item.
no, that's a sniper leaf. That goes on
No,
a sniper too.
both.
That's the strange hedge, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, fuck! Oh, yeah! Oh, fuck. That looks...
An item so new, it doesn't even have a wiki page.
That's Valve's fault.
What?
That's Valve's fault. What do you expect? Oh, shit! Actually...
What did you get?
Give me a second. That just looks really sexy on that loadout.
What is it?
You know the veterans and tires attires. The soldier shirt. The
oh yeah. I know the one you mean.
Yeah,
that's a good one.
it suits my C loadout.
The veterans attire. That's the one.
Yeah.
I mean, that looks pretty good, really.
Yeah, should actually.
Commando grade.
Yeah, commando grade.
So new, doesn't even have a wiki page.
Lazy. What's this? The burning question.
Well, the burning question is a bloody cool cat, I reckon. Well, it's got to be good with certain items in between, like burning flames or scorching flames. I think it's really going to be high tier.
Yeah. Oh shit! I got a the frag proof fragger.
That's the demo hat, is it?
Yeah, it is. Oh man, that actually would look really cool on demo. A biker demo. A biker boy. Oh, alright, wipe out wraps. Now I know what this will go well with. And it's gonna go well with this dude because he's a gangster. I tell you. Some of these things look really fucking amazing. Alright, we got the Aristol, which is a spy bird. So Spy finally has his own bird. It's a crow, I think. I got some sort of beanie, which is the Tundra top. Alright, let's kick some ass. Oh, fuck. The hot case. That is possibly one of the most sexy skins I've ever looked at. Oh, there we go. That looks really good. Really good.
Okay.
So
that's pretty good.
I have given it to my diver pyro.
Your pyro shark.
Oh, you know what? You actually make a point. Out of any, I think I haven't given the diver the stuff to do pyro shark with, which I really should.
Well, yeah, you should have at least a neon anado. There's a pretty cheap collector ones around if you haven't got one.
Well, let's see. Let's go with let's see, pyro shark, and I'll give this one an extinguisher because it looks great. You do make a lot of point when you say, well, I reckon that this pyro shark here. What flamethrower goes really well for you, do I reckon? The Phlogistinator. I reckon the Phlogistinator would go well with my diver pyro loadout.
Yeah.
I have not got that.
Frogs can't do damage underwater though, can they?
No, they can't. But they're really cool, and it looks something off Bioshock.
Yeah, I guess it looks a bit.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
Bioshock.
And you know what? Just because I'm like holding a reserve shooter, you know what? That gun's a bitch. I'm gonna use the gas can. The gas passer.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm not gonna be a freaking I'm the reserve shooter guy. I'm gonna be the dude saying, well, I'm not the reserve shooter guy, but I have a gas passer. So yeah, that's pretty much my loadout for the pyro. Right. Continuing on with the
Unboxing.
yeah. There's a lot of good skins that I'm gonna like swap. Oh, and this one was the one I was looking forward to, the Tsar Platinum.
Tsar, as in Russian Tsar.
Tsar Platinum.
The Tsar. As in Tsar.
Oh, yeah. Now,
What's wrong, man?
which person?
So obviously a heavy because Tsar's the Russian monarch. You know?
Obviously, I know that, but I'm just trying to think which person. Alright, I don't think I can put on any of them because all of them are just good on my heavy.
Yeah. Yes, sometimes you're stuck for choice. You wish that they had Steam. You know, I think Valve should do so you could have 6 for each class, because there's so many people around nowadays that have quite good multiple loadouts, and if you could have like 6, or even if you could buy another 2, that's a way that Valve could make money, and you could also have an additional 6 loadouts. You know,
6 loadouts for different purposes.
Well, yeah, no, you have like, for example, you have like, instead of having 4 for sniper, if you buy the expansion, you get, you get 5 loadouts for everything. If you buy another one, you get 6. So, I don't know if they can modify the game like that, but if they could, that would be a way in which they could get some do-re-mi, and at the same time, guys like us that want to sort of do lots and lots of loadouts, it's really it's really something that's worth sort of pursuing.
Oh, detail tool.
That strange private maggot muncher, which is that they've got this assassin grade mascot, which is like an eagle. Like
it's almost exactly the same to the other one.
Yeah, but it still looks okay. And they've got that the Aristotle, which is like a crow with a picture of a like I think it's Archimedes
Archimedes.
over the front of it, like a spy thing.
Yeah. I guess that's
So
like Spy's. That so Spy has a bird now.
yeah, I think it says spy has a you know
Where's his
yeah.
crow head? Let's see. Strange part. Kill streak ended.
What the hell?
See. Adds this strange part. Quality weapon will enable track a number of enemy player kill streaks you ended with that weapon. Whatever. I guess being a dick with a certain weapon may work out.
Yep, it could. It's worked out for a lot of people.
Oops. I accidentally placed the thingy bobs in the there we go. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna like backpack expanders. Oh, you can't expand them anymore. Oh.
Yes, you can. You can. You got like 4,000. How many have you got?
Oh, um
Try use it and see if it works.
right now I'm at like 60 pages of shit, so I think I'm at the max.
Well, see if you can use it just for I don't know. Let's see what happens, man.
Right, see
See
that.
what happens.
Oh, you're not right there.
Did it let you do it?
No, it actually didn't.
Oh, Valve. Come
They
on, man. What's the difference between 60 fucking pages and 100 pages? If it's, Gaiman, if you want a marquee jet, you might as well get the one with the full options, Jesus. God damn it. You can have gold toilet seats. Frick, just,
Tower of
know.
Duty tickets. That's interesting. They should like allow the community to add the Journey to the East items as well, because they look amazing.
Yeah.
Because community events usually can be fun when they end up, having really good ones, and they just add that in game.
Yeah. They could have done so much with this Blue Moon thing as well.
They don't even have Easter related shit.
Yeah. You could have.
I guess America doesn't really like Easter, or do they?
Yeah, they do. They celebrate Easter. They sort of. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they probably like Easter. I reckon per capita though, I think we eat more chocolate eggs in America. Oh yeah.
Oh right. Oh yeah, that's really
Easter is about chocolate eggs. The giving of chocolate eggs.
Easter's about a money-making scheme.
What? No, it's not. It's about the gifts of chocolate.
And losing your wallet.
Even though chocolate was quite distinctly discovered well after Easter. Oh my god, chocolate eggs.
I'm just opening these boxes and they're giving me nothing but shirts that I already have.
Yeah, I found that's a bit repetitive.
God damn it, stop giving me the fucking spy clothes. No, he's a model star, but he doesn't want the same shit.
Yeah, I got a few of those. Did
Wait.
you get a maggot muncher?
Oh, let's see. Burning enemy kills. Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, I've got a few fun unusual ones like, low hit kills, low health kills.
Low health kills, kill someone with an unusual effect hat, kill someone. Ooh.
Yeah. Hey, I wanted to get that strange cold case, but I didn't unbox it.
Oh shit! Oh freak! Scout has some really nice pants. That would look cool, but you know what? You know what? I never really wear pants in TF2. Because, yeah, pants. Oh, thank God. Just give me a second. Oh wait, this is the gunmetal
Oh,
crates.
what
We have too many fucking crates.
crate? The Cratosaurus.
Like, I actually got all these off, just leaving the game and going back to it. Really, really shocking how many crates you can get out of that.
So have you finished your blue moons?
Oh fuck. Alright. Scourge of the Sky. That sounds like an interesting medic loadout.
Which one's the Scourge of Sky, is it?
Yeah, Scourge of Skies. Alright.
Scourge of Sky.
Which medic? I think it shall be you, my friend. Holy the amount of improvements to each of these skins, it's probably the community, but I could, yeah, community.
You mean we don't have a community, we have a toxicity.
Oh, it's not that bad.
What?
The toxicity in this game ain't that bad compared to other games.
Oh no, it's true. But we do get a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, a little bit. Oh my.
But toxicity doesn't keep me away from this game.
Nah. It's like you have like a curry dinner and it's really hot. You know, it's sort of toxic in some ways, but you enjoy it on the other, you know. Sometimes you just put up with the toxic element, knowing that you're gonna crap yourself later just for the taste.
Alright, I think I'm at the end of my fucking keys. Yep.
Oh well. Have you unboxed them all?
Well, I have 2 left, but yeah, just about unbox them all.
Are you just gonna keep them for keepsakes, or just unbox the fucking lot?
I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I'll peace it out to you guys. Peace.
Peace.